Hey guys, it's Billy here with How To on Mac, and in today's episode I'm going to tell you or show you how to create password protected folders on your Macintosh computer. So it's pretty easy actually, and it's quite basic. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go up to the search bar, the hotbar thing, and just type in utility. Just wait till it comes up with disk utility on the screen, and then just click enter or click it. So click enter, and it should bring up this little window here, and it should have this button up here called new image, and you're going to want to click that as it bring up another little pop-up or drop down bar, and it's going to ask you what you want to call your file. So for the purposes of the video I'm going to call it top secret, and then you've got the save destination. So I'm going to, for the purposes of video, I'm going to save it desktop. I'm going to call this the same thing again because it must make sense because it's the same. It's the disk image. So yeah, you just save that as top secret again. This is the now the amount of space you're going to allocate your folder. So because I don't want to make, you can go custom, and then you can change megabytes to terabytes, gigabytes, depending on. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to put it at 500 megs, or you can just click the little one down there and just click OK. Just because it's a reasonably small folder. It should make it a bit smaller, quicker. And then you actually no. But put it at 500, so then you get the rough idea what happens. So then you've got this. You just leave the format as it is. You've also got the encryption, and the difference between these two, there's a bit of a difference. This one here is a lot quicker, but is not as secure, whereas this one's a lot slower but it is more secure. So I'd recommend going for this one as well as does the software. So yeah, just click on 128-bit and move on. And the next one that's going to give you is the hard disk, and you just got to leave that on hard disk, and leave image in format as well, and then just click create, and it will ask you to create a password now. So I'm going to call it Billy, and just verify it. But then make sure, this is really important, make sure that this is turned off, otherwise it will not ask you for your password when you click on your folder, and it will enable people to gain access to your secret folder. So just untick that and click OK, and that's just going to do the creation there, and it's going to do that quickly, so it'll take a few seconds time. And it's done. There we go. So it's going to just format it, so you can see it's already on the desktop saved there, and that's the disk image. So yeah, you can just quit. I'm going to minimize it, and so yeah, basically this thing here is your disk. So you're going to want to eject this, which can be obviously when you click on it, it will insert it again. So just click eject, and then this is basically your secret folder you've just created. So yeah, you just double click that, and it'll ask you to enter your password. So make sure you can click this one if you like, but just don't click this one. This will ask you to remember your password in the keychain. So that will mean that every time you click on it, it's just going to gain access to it immediately. So don't ever click that. So just enter your password and click OK, and then it should pop up the same image as I had before, which is the disk image. And you can just go ahead and double click on that. And in here, you can save anything. So if I just create a new folder quickly. Billy YouTube. Yeah, there you go. You can just drag that in there, and you have in total 500 megabytes of storage. Obviously, that can be edited again if you want to create a new one in disk utility, which is really useful. But yeah, it's just a really useful thing, another useful tool. 1 minute. It's just a really useful tool to use on your Mac if you've got lots of private documents on your computer, and if someone did find your laptop or stole your computer for some reason, you've got those passwords on there, so it gives you a little bit of extra protection. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to stop the video there, so please rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, you guys. Peace out.